So this problem that we're going to do is from the official guide 2017 edition. It's data sufficiency number 384. And the problem reads, in the XY plane, region R consists of all the points x, y such that 2x plus 3y is smaller or equal to 6. Is the point RS in the region R? First of all, we have to draw that region R. Okay? First of all, let's draw the region R. When you draw the region R, let's take what they give us. They give us 2x plus 3y is smaller than or equal to 6. In order to graph, if it's been a while since you've graphed an inequality, it's very easy. First of all, just graph it as though it were an equation, as though it said 2x plus 3y equals 6. Just graph it that way. And then we'll do something, but it's very easy. So basically, this is going to look like 3y is smaller or equal negative 2x plus 6. Divide everything by 3. We get y smaller or equal to negative 2/3 x plus, sorry, that last bit was wrong, plus 2. Plus 2. I accidentally wrote 6, but it's plus 2. So that is the equation of, that's not an equation, that's an inequality. But we're going to, first of all, just graph it as though it were a line. So don't worry for the moment about the fact that it is an inequality. First of all, just graph this as a line, okay? And as a line, okay, there's that. And there's that. Okay? Now plus 2. I'm going to give myself plenty of room. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, so to graph this, you start off here at the y-intercept. You go down 2 and you go over 3. And it looks something like this. That's what it looks like. Now you've graphed the line. Now all you have to do is shade, since it's an inequality and it says y is less than, you simply shade everything beneath the line. Okay, so that is the region that they talk about in this problem. Now, statement 1 is a line. It's statement 1 is a line. Now one thing that they do, because the question here is point RS in region R? One thing that is annoying in these problems is that the point is defined by R and S, not by X and Y. And for me, it feels very unintuitive to use R and S. So I change them to X and Y. So the equation that they give us is, it says in statement 1, it says 3r plus 2s equals 6. But I'm going to change that to 3x plus 2y equals 6. Okay? And that's going to be 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. And then you divide everything by 2, and you'll get y equals negative 3/2 x plus 3. Okay, negative 3/2 x plus 3. Again, this workspace is getting quite crowded. I realize that. I will erase the board. So to graph what I just drew, the line that I just drew, negative 3/2 x. So this one goes down 3 and over 2. So this line looks something like that. Okay? That it looks like that. So it is not possible, given statement 1, when they tell us that the point lies somewhere on the line defined by statement 1, it's certainly not possible to say whether that lies in the region or not, because the points here on the line do not lie in region R. The points here on the line do. So it's not, that's insufficient. It is definitely insufficient, okay? Now, statement 2 tells us basically that it says R is less than 3 and S is less than 2. So again, I'm saying that that means X is less than 3, X is less than 3, okay? I'm going to erase this here. It's getting this, I erased that. It's getting too crowded over there. Excuse me. Okay? Now, so statement 2 says that X is less than 3. Again, it says R is less than 3, but I find it annoying to work with R and S, so I'm working with X and S. So R is less than 3. Okay, that means that X must be there onto the left of that vertical line I just drew, and that S, or Y, is beneath this line. Okay? So basically, statement 2 tells us that the X value of the point is to the left of that vertical line that I drew, and the Y value is beneath, is less than the horizontal line I drew. And again, that's not sufficient, because you have this area, which is to the left of the vertical line and beneath the horizontal line, but it doesn't lie in the region. And then you have, for example, all of this stuff here, which lies to the left of the vertical line I drew and beneath the horizontal line I drew, but does lie within the region. So that's not sufficient either. So all we can hope for is that together they will be sufficient. So together, statement 1 says that the line defined by statement 1, which is the line that I'm drawing over, that the point is on that line. And statement 2 tells us that it's in here. Statement 2 tells us that it's in here. It's to the left. But again, we have a region here, which is on the line defined by statement 1, within the boundaries defined by statement 2, but it's not in the region. And then we have everything else here, which is on the line defined by statement 1, within the boundaries defined by statement 2, but it is in the region. So you get one answer that says yes and one answer that says no. So that means E, even taken together, they are insufficient. Okay?